Yahoo. Good afternoon. Time in Australia is 14 past 3. Today is Tuesday. The date is 26. We enter to the market for the USD CHF. We have announced on the Telegram group early in the morning that we are watching the USD CHF for selling zone. Market goes above this area. Everything has been documented. We put it on the Telegram group, so you can go and watch that. So the entry point is 92065. The taking profit, first one and second one, and the stop loss is 92146. So I am going actually to go to chart. As you can see, we enter here. We are on the loss now. This is our stop loss. This is our first taking profit. If we hit the first taking profit, as always, I go out of the trade. I'm not going to go for the second or third. These are the level we are watching. We put everything on the Telegram group. So every candlestick is 1 hour because this is 1 hour time frame. So I'm not going to babysit the chart. I will wait. When market hit either stop loss or taking profit, then I come back to you and I make the second part of the video and I explain to you. So I pause the video and I come back whenever everything is done. I'm back. I just want to explain something about the Bitcoin. We did trade on Saturday and we made 2-part video for that trade. If you have time, and go and watch the video. On the second part, which is the part 2, at the end of the video I have mentioned about the Bitcoin selling point. If we go to Telegram group, actually this part 2 video at the end, if you watch this video, at the end I said when the market on the Bitcoin going, this is the Bitcoin, I think it was it. Yeah, that's the Bitcoin. Okay. We say we were here when we reached to the old taking profit. On that second part of the video, I said if market goes above here, we have a chance to sell the market. But we missed this selling, and when I get a snapshot, the price was here. We could get into the market to reach to this area. So unfortunately, we missed that one. We cannot enter now because the stop loss is here. It's too far from our entry. If it were here, the stop loss and the taking profit would worth it. But now, because the stop loss is too far, if we enter here for this level, it's not worth it. That's why we avoid this selling. But I find another level for the Bitcoin. After Bitcoin goes and comes back and past this level, this is the new level of the selling. As you can see, say we are watching the Bitcoin new level for selling. I write it and it's got a snapshot. If the price goes above this 2 red line, which is selling zone in this area, we have a chance to sell the market to this level, taking profit first and second taking profit. And if it comes under here, then there is a chance to buy it once to this area. Okay, so this is for the USD CHF that we have already entered to the market. Before we enter, we said where is our taking profit, TP1, TP2, even TP3, and we mentioned it on the Telegram group. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna come back to you. Hopefully when it's done, I'll come back to you guys and we will see. At the moment we are in the loss, so these red things, we are in the loss, and time in Sydney is 3:34. In about half an hour market would close, and then following that Tokyo would close, and 5 o'clock London would open. These are the when London open is very crucial, and the candlesticks are going up and down very fast because too much volume. Okay, I pause the video and come back. Hopefully soon we're gonna hit the target. If not, if you hit the stop loss, it doesn't really matter. We have to wait for another setup to enter to the market for selling. So we will wait, pause the video and come back to you. So market is heading down. It's almost close to touch the first taking profit, as you can see. So I will come back again when everything is done. I want to show you this Bitcoin that I early actually announced that we actually missed this trade because I saw it here. It was too late. But in previous video that I have made regarding the Bitcoin in 1 hour time frame, as I have said before, we said when it goes above this area, we have a chance to sell it to this level of the 62072.31. If you watch the first video, second video at the end, I have mentioned this, but it was too late to actually enter to the market because the stop loss is far away. So I have said again, I'm not going to repeat. But again, if they hit here, which hopefully we will hit, and if market rise, this price rise and goes above that new level that I find, come to this area, and then we have a opportunity to sell it. So as we have forecast for the Bitcoin on Saturday for all this level and top, and then went up, and then we had a chance to sell, and as you can see, over the prediction of thanks God Yahoo, it was okay. It's all help of the Yahoo, and my God, he actually look at this one. The time is Tuesday, October 26. Okay, this is live time. It's not a fake, it's not a offline. As you can see, market is heading towards 62072.31. So yeah, we missed that. So we can have all the trade. That is the, because every candlestick is 1 hour, and I don't have time to monitor all these pairs, and either I have to concentrate only one pair, which is, I keep switching to different pairs just to see any opportunity. Today we have some setup, but they are far away from the level, so therefore I'm not going to announce them as yet because it's too early. The Bitcoin, now we put a new level, which is this level. Hopefully if price goes up, then we get ready for selling. So I pause the video and come back to you guys. If market come and hit these two level, 91,991 and 91,964, we actually have a chance. If we miss all this trade, then if the price come here in this area, there is a chance to buy once to level 91964, this level. Time in Sydney now is 5:23 p.m. Is London market is going to open soon. I think it's open already because of this red candlestick. For some reason is hanging. Oh, now market is playing again. It's breathing. So we will wait to see when it's going to touch. As you can see, if I make it larger for you guys to see, the shadow of this candlestick came close to our taking profit. The shadow means nothing. If this shadow pass, even if this body pass this taking profit, still platform might not close it. The reason is this two line, bidding price and asking price. This is the actually has to come and pass this level to close. Many people, when they start trading, they think if the candlestick hit the level, shadow or body, the platform or the broker they use, it would close their account in profit. And sometimes this has happened to me. That is the experience I'm telling you guys. Many times happened to me, and I was wondering what happened. And I would take the snapshot, send it to the broker, and they were saying no. So they would not refund the money. So to not get confused, always go down the property, go to this show ask price, show bid price, tick them, and then you can change the color if you like. The colors, as you can see here, bidding price is white because the background is black. Asking price, I put it red. Again, background is black. So hopefully, now, as you can see now, is how far it is. So if this two line come in and touch this level, the platform automatically would close our account in profit. If it goes above here and touch this one, suddenly for some reason, red news or whatever, our profit is going to be turned to the loss. But that is market. We find a level, we put the stop loss, we put the taking profit, then we go away. We cannot just sit down and watch the candlestick by candlestick, because every candlestick takes 1 hour, and then you get bored and you get confused, and then you make wrong decision. If you know where is your taking profit, which is here, if you know where is your stop loss and your entry point, as we have predicted on the Telegram group that we send it to you guys, this is earlier, we said our taking profit TP1 is this price, second is this price, third one is this price. But what we said we are waiting for the signal to enter for the selling position entry point, and the stop loss will be forwarded. So we have missed the trade on, this is for the Bitcoin that I have, right? Yeah. Actually, I might say this one good too. On the Bitcoin, I had a snapshot and I said to you guys that we have missed the trade. To sell the Bitcoin is too late. Entry to Bitcoin. If you did watch the part 2 of the video about this, no, I don't want to read this one because you already know that. Okay. This is the Bitcoin new level. Okay. And that's for the CHF. USD CHF. We say we enter to this price. This is our stop loss. This is our first, second taking profit, and first one. Okay. And now market come close to our taking profit, but did not touch. So I pause the video and I will back. Hopefully, if we touch, then I close the video. Close the trade, sorry, and I make the second part, and I would explain the second part briefly, but up down. And I'm gonna upload it on the YouTube channel, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook. If you are interested, you go and watch. If you are interested, join our Telegram group, Instagram, YouTube channel, Facebook. Then you get notification when we are watching, which pair we are watching, or when we are entering, which on what level we enter to the market. All this is free of the charge. Is nothing that you have to pay for it. The only thing you have to pay for it is your time, patience, and to watch all this video. And when I'm explaining bit by bit, I would give you some advice about trading. You can take the note. If it's valuable for you, and if you think it makes sense for you, you use it for your trading in future. Don't copy us. This is only education and information site only. We are not signal company. We are not responsible for your trade. We're just passing our information. So I have said this, repeating in every single video. We are trying to help you guys to learn how to trade. As I have said before, I'm not giving you fish because I'm not signal company to charge you for the membership monthly payment and give you fish every day. I'm trying to teach you how to catch the fish and actually doing fishing yourself, and then hopefully in future you do what you can do and you learn it. So don't get me wrong, please. I'm not saying that we are 100% correct in every trade. Maybe this trade is going to be on loss. I don't know. But what we know, we find a level in the past that we think is a strong level for the selling. What we know is that through the software that my partner he developed, he gave us the notification to sell in this area, in this level. What we know that we are going to hit this area hopefully as a taking profit, and what we know is that this is our stop loss. We are not 100% every single trade be successful. Trading is a lot of small things and lots of surprise happening. Unfortunately, I am not a good trader because I have to always check the news through the Forex factory just to see if there's any news or red news. I'm lazy to do this. The reason I don't do that is because when I put a stop loss, I will say to myself, if I hit the stop loss, it doesn't matter. We will wait for another trade, another day. So I'm not going to trade without a stop loss. This is my way of the trading. Maybe I lose 4, 5, 6 trade, but again, the chance I could go through is a lot more than the loss. So in ratio, in all over, then we are okay. So I stop talking because I'm going again repeat myself, sorry. I post a video, I don't know how long it's going to take again. Maybe a matter of 1 hour, 5 hours. Every candlestick, as you can see, is 1 hour time frame. We will see. I post a video. If this video gets too long, I'm gonna edit it, cut it, make it short. Short video. This is what people they like. They don't like long video. They don't have patience to sit down and listen. I don't blame them because I pause the video and come back. You see, the market came very close to our target twice, and even touched this one, has touched it, but did not close because the bidding price and asking price didn't actually touch it. So because it's beginning of the London Open, market would rally up and down a lot, and to avoid to get out of the trade, our stop loss was not into 114, I think before. So I move it to this area just to let the market breathe, because market breathing, going up, dive, back. So market need to breathe. So in 1 hour time, I have to go out of the house, and I might not come back for 2-3 hours. I leave this one as it is, and hopefully if we hit the target or a stop loss, by the time I get home, then I finish the video and edit it for you guys, and I'll let you know what's happened. I pause the video. I just come back and I saw the trade has been closed in a profit in the name of who, thanks God, Yahoo که یکی هست و هیچ نیست جز او وحده لا اله الا هو. I finished this video with a profit. We enter here, as you know, and the taking profit was here. When this candlestick mature, when this candlestick start going up and down, if you go back and listen to what I have said, I said the power of the buyers come to the market, and at that time I was in the computer and I was babysitting. When I'm talking about babysitting the chart, that's the reason. When I am actually online and watching the chart for some prediction that we have through the software and also going through the past, when I saw this candlestick shape going up and down, it was like a doji one. Many people would think that market would fall back quickly, and I have said that I have to adjust the stop loss because our stop loss was in different number. I show you on the Telegram. Our stop loss first one, we put it on 9. As you can see, we put it on the 92142. When I saw that movement of that candlestick, I realized that market maker are actually trying to push the market up to take all the stop loss that people they have put and then come back towards the level we wanted. That's why we announced on the Telegram we are moving the stop loss to higher to 92314. Everything is been documented, and also we send it to the Telegram group. You can see the time and everything is here. Alright guys, thanks God this trade has been finished on the profit as well and hit our first and second taking profit. When I'm talking about first and second taking profit, please look at the Telegram announcement in the beginning. We have said our first taking profit would be 92003 and 91991, and the stop loss was this. Okay, and now 9111 has been actually hit, as you can see, and 9022 is hit too. So this one is a third taking profit. If you go back to the Telegram, all this is the forecast that we have done it. Everything before. This is no price here, guys. Look what we have said. Take profit 1, 92003 has been hit. Take profit 2, 91991, and take profit 3 is 91964. And please all read all this information. And I will stop talking now. In the name of who? In the name of God. We finished this trade on the profit. Thanks God. Please look after yourself and your family. If you have time, watch this video. I'm going to make the second part. If the market comes around this area, then we have a chance to buy it only to this level. At the moment, market, the price was in the selling zone, and if market come under selling zone, there is one more chance to buy it. Okay, please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. Yahoo! I finished this video in the name of God. Thank you.